beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my current foundation routine. There you go. Can I say it for a second? I was like current. Okay, first let's go in. I'm going to my skin. So I've been loving the MAC Strobe Cream, this one right here, and the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator, and this is Afterglow. So I like mixing these two together, and I'm just going to use my Anastasia plate. So I'm just going to scan a little bit of these. This is the Steelers long sleeve that I was talking about in my story time. Okay, so we're just going to mix this all in. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to apply that here. And what this does is just makes our skin really nice, and looks like our skin has glow, like a really pretty glow to it. So we're just going to massage that in. Gently massage. I'm just going to focus this just in this area right here. A little bit of my forehead. This is just optional, you don't have to do it. But I like doing this because I feel like it gives my skin a really nice luminous look. So now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm in the shade Golden Beige. I'm just going to add some. Okay, so I almost forgot my nose primer. So I will be using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer for my nose. Just really work that in my nose, and it just blurs those babies away. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our foundation, and we're going to mix it in with whatever's left from the glow. Okay, just going to mix. And you're probably wondering, like, how come you didn't just mix the glow with the foundation at first? And it's because I feel like because I like to. Now we're just going to apply it to our skin. I can't ever wear nice clothes because I swear I get everything dirty. It's not even, I'm not even joking, like I seriously get everything dirty. So I'm gonna go in with my Flower Beauty sponge. If you guys are looking for an affordable beauty sponge, I swear by this. This is so amazing, and it's super affordable at your Walmart. It's really good, you guys. Okay, so depending on how much coverage you want, you can go in with another layer. Just leave it like this. It's whatever you like. So I still have some left over, so I'm not going to use it all because I did get carried away because we're doing a video and I'm just like, I'm trying to be all cute. But I'm going to add just a little bit, not too much because I really like how it looks, but just a little bit right here where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. And then for moments like this where I have left over, I do not throw it away, you guys. I hate wasting. I go in with my little tube. If you guys have seen me mix all my foundations, primers, highlighters, I'll link it up here, you guys will see. Well, I mixed all my foundations and I have it in here and I have been using it. So I'm just going to scoop the rest and put it into there. Okay, you guys already know what I like to use to contour. I am obsessed with this shade right here, and this is my Measurable Difference. I got this at Ross, very affordable. I think it was like $5.99. So I'm obsessed with this contouring palette. It's one of my favorites. I tend to reach for this one instead of my higher end, but this shade right here is the one I mostly touch. Like you could see a little like a little. So I was going to try and pull like something else. That's like my second favorite, but I was like, no. Go with your, this is seriously, this shade is like my ride or die. For real. My ride or die for real. So I will be using this to contour. Then I will be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is yellow. Mixing that with my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. So I'll be mixing those two together and contouring my face. I'm just going to add a little bit of the yellow. I love a yellow concealer. I just love the way it looks on my skin. It's very flattering. If you guys have not tried the LA Girl concealers, you guys are missing out. They are really, really good. So to blend my contour, I will be using my Flower Beauty sponge and my Clarisonic, my foundation brush. This is so amazing. I will link my review up here, you guys. So amazing to blend foundation. Oh, I love it. But I wanted to show you guys how it blends with the contour. I've already showed you guys, but this, you guys, amazing, amazing. Definitely, if you don't like taking sponges on the road or you want something quick, simple, this, I'm telling you, is mashik. It's so awesome. And if you guys have a hard time of blending contour, you guys can't do it with your brush or you can't do it with your sponge, this, seriously, it's like foolproof. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go into our Laura Mercier Bustier, just kidding, the Laura powder, setting powder. Fam Bam already knows. I don't know what it is about that word, but it gets me, like, I can't say it, but I know you guys got my back. So going in with the powder, I'm just going to grab some on my beauty sponge and then tap off like some of the excess on here. Then go underneath my eye. And this whole process takes me about like 15 minutes. It's taking a little bit longer right now because I'm doing, you know, step by step, stopping, explaining things to you guys. But this seriously takes me 15 minutes. It's super quick and just boom, boom, gotta go. And then right underneath my cheekbone. I see, like that. Okay, okay. What's up, Jade? So while that is baking, I'm going to do my eyes real quick. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. A little bit, just like that. Like, we could probably use the rest of what's on here too. And going in with my TheMakeupShack T29 brush. Super dirty. If you guys are looking for a really good blending brush, this one right here is awesome. So we're just going to blend that out on our eye. Blend this out. For my nose contour, I will be using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and this is just for my nose contour. I know it sounds kind of like, what? You have different ones? Yes. Just play around and see what works better for you and how your nose looks, because I feel like not all contour shades look good and flattering on my nose. I feel like some can look muddy, some can look muddy and some can look too orange. So I like using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer one because it just is so good for my nose contour. Going in with the Luxie Small Tapering Blending Brush, I'm going to chisel my nose. Going in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow. I love this bronzer shade in here. Mine looks so beat up. This bronzer shade right here is so freaking amazing. So going in with this shade and using my LA Girl 107 brush, I feel like you can go heavy with this and you will not, like, there's no ruining it. So we're just going to, oh, it smells so freaking good. Just going to apply this. Now we're gonna go in with our LA Girl 101 brush and we're just going to remove that powder that we had baking. Going to grab the Hoola bronzer with a TheMakeupShack T34 and I'm just going to set my eye. Okay, so going in with the Morphe. This one is the Warm Master 8W. I'm gonna go in with Unapologetic and Babe. Just going in with these two. Going in with my NYX matte liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to just do simple eyeliner, then some bold lashes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now for highlighter, going in with my Persona Cali Glow highlighter. This is Zuma. You guys, this is so freaking beautiful, so pigmented. I feel like not enough people are raving about it. Since I received it, I've been like non-stop. Okay, so just applying this. Okay, so my favorite setting spray lately has been the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is hands down the best. It seriously keeps it on all night. All nighter, all night, yes. This is going to suck up any of the powder that we have left over so we don't have that powdery kind of face. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to apply my mascara to my bottom lash line. I don't like doing my bottom lash line before I do my setting spray because I might look down and it might smudge, all of that. And I hate when my mascara smudges on me because I have creases right here and it just does, it's just not cute. It's not cute on me. Okay, so going in with my mascara. Okay, so now for my lips, I will be using the LA Girl, the Perfect Lip Liner. So using my LA Girl Perfect Lip Liner, and I will be using my Clarins, and this is just a lip oil. So mixing those two just to give me a really pretty pouty lip. Now going in with my Aroma London. This is number 43. Hoo-hoo. And of course, you can do whatever lip you want. I know I look pretty mean, but I do have a bitch face already, so. Okay, so this is the end of my foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I want you guys to see up close that it's not cakey or anything.